The hardest part of designing your gate and fence is knowing where to start. So many styles, materials, and ideas can leave anyone feeling overwhelmed. Many people make common mistakes. They jump straight into searching for inspiration, find a design they love, and try to copy it exactly, without considering their unique needs. This approach often leads to frustration and a final product that doesn't quite fit. But don't worry, that's why I'm here. Let's break down the process together, step by step. First things first, you need to identify what you want your gate and fence to achieve. Is it for privacy, security, aesthetics, or perhaps to keep pets and children safe? Maybe it's a combination of all these factors. If you value seclusion, you'll want a design that blocks the view from outside. For example, a solid wooden fence about 6 feet or 1.8 meters tall can provide the privacy you desire, allowing you to enjoy your backyard without prying eyes. To protect your property, sturdier materials and designs are essential. For example, a wrought iron gate with pointed finials adds a layer of security by deterring intruders, while still offering a classic look. Maybe you want to enhance your home's curb appeal. For example, a decorative aluminum fence with intricate patterns can make your property stand out in the neighborhood. But remember, your gate and fence can serve multiple purposes. Identifying your priorities will guide your design decisions. Now that you've figured out what you need, let's talk about picking the right design style for your gate and fence. You want something that matches your home's look, so everything feels cohesive. But with so many styles out there, it can get a bit confusing. If your home has a tropical vibe, you'll want a fence that feels breezy and natural. For example, using materials like bamboo or teak wood enhances that tropical feel. So, a fence made of horizontal teak slats not only looks great, but also withstands humid climates. You could also incorporate decorative elements like carved wood patterns to add an exotic touch. Japandi combines Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian functionality. So, simplicity and natural elements are key. For example, a fence with clean, straight lines made from light-colored woods like ash or maple fits this style perfectly. So, you might choose a simple vertical slat design that emphasizes craftsmanship and natural beauty without unnecessary ornamentation. Modern and sleek features might suit you best. For example, a fence made of metal and wood panels provides a cutting-edge look, so it maintains the modern contemporary aesthetic of your home while offering privacy. You could use aluminum frames for a minimalist appearance. So, choose a style that reflects your home's character. This harmony creates a cohesive and appealing appearance. Materials play a crucial role in the functionality and longevity of your gate and fence. Wood offers a warm, natural appearance, but requires regular maintenance like staining or sealing to prevent rot and weathering. For example, cedar wood is resistant to rot and insects, making it a durable option that can last for years with proper care. It provides a rich color and natural aroma that many homeowners love. If you desire the look of wood without the high maintenance, consider wood-look vinyl or composite materials. These alternatives mimic the appearance of natural wood, but are more resistant to weather and pests. Bamboo is another eco-friendly option that's durable and gives a unique, exotic look. Strong and durable. Metals like iron and aluminum can be crafted into various designs, from ornate to minimalist. For example, an aluminum fence is lightweight and resists rust, making it ideal for coastal climates where salt air can be corrosive. If you're looking for a cost-effective option, powder-coated steel can offer similar durability with a different aesthetic. For those who like the look of metal but want lower maintenance, metal-look composites provide a metallic appearance without the susceptibility to rust. Vinyl is a low-maintenance and weather-resistant. Vinyl fences are easy to clean and don't require painting or staining. For example, a vinyl fence mimics the look of wood without the need for staining or sealing. Perfect for those who prefer minimal upkeep. If vinyl doesn't appeal to you, PVC is another plastic-based material that's durable and easy to maintain. Composite fencing can also serve as an alternative, offering a different texture and feel while still providing low maintenance. Composite are made from recycled wood fibers and plastic. Composite fencing is eco-friendly and durable. For example, composite fencing withstands harsh weather and doesn't warp or crack, offering the beauty of wood without the drawbacks. If composites are beyond your budget, pressure-treated wood is a more affordable option that resists rot and insects, though it requires more maintenance. Fiber cement is another alternative. It's a mixture of wood fibers and cement that creates a strong, weather-resistant material with a wood-like appearance. Materials like brick, stone, or concrete offer exceptional durability and a high-end look. For example, a stone fence provides a timeless, sturdy barrier that's great for privacy and noise reduction. Concrete blocks or poured concrete can mimic the appearance of stone or brick at a lower cost. For a rustic look, gabion walls are an alternative that's both durable and visually interesting. But consider your local climate and how much maintenance you're willing to do. The right material ensures your fence looks good for years. Details can transform a simple fence into a statement piece. A decorative post caps enhance the tops of your fence posts. For example, solar-powered caps provide subtle lighting along your fence line, enhancing safety and ambiance at night. Custom panels incorporate unique designs or patterns. For example, laser-cut metal panels with geometric shapes add a modern touch and become a conversation piece. So, think about what details reflect your personality. Small touches can make a big difference. Landscaping around your fence adds beauty and function. A climbing plants can use your fence as a trellis. For example, planting flowering vines like jasmine or clematis can soften the look of a solid fence and add delightful scents. Shrubs and hedges provide additional privacy. For example, a row of evergreen shrubs along the fence line creates a lush green barrier that stays vibrant year-round. And flower beds enhance the base of your fence. For example, perennials planted along the fence add color throughout the seasons and attract pollinators like butterflies. But make sure the plants you choose suit your climate and maintenance preferences. Well-planned landscaping enhances your outdoor space. Accurate measurements ensure your fence fits your property perfectly. The height of the fence depends on your needs and local regulations. For example, a height of 6 foot or 1.8 meters fence offers privacy, making it ideal for backyards where you want seclusion. But in many areas across the U.S., front yard fences are often limited to 4 feet or even 3 feet or 90 centimeters to maintain visibility and comply with safety regulations. While the width of gates must accommodate what will pass through. For example, a standard gate is about 3 feet or 0.9 meters wide, suitable for foot traffic, while a double gate for vehicles should be at least 10 feet or 3 meters wide. So measure carefully and consult local codes to avoid costly mistakes and ensure compliance. Often people look for inspiration online, find a design they love, and try to replicate it exactly. But why doesn't this always work? Let's put it in a situation. A beautiful fence you see might be made of materials that are hard to source locally, or not suitable for your climate, leading to increased costs and maintenance issues. For a better approach, customize designs to fit your specific needs. You can use the design as inspiration, but choose locally available materials that suit your environment and budget. But remember, what works for one property may not work for yours. Tailoring designs ensures functionality and satisfaction. Now that we've explored all these important aspects, I'm excited to tell you that next week, we'll be applying this knowledge using 3D models. This hands-on approach will help you visualize your gate and fence design in a realistic way, so you can see exactly how it fits with your home and landscape. Designing your gate and fence doesn't have to be overwhelming. By understanding your needs, choosing the right style and materials, and avoiding common mistakes, you'll create a fence that enhances your property and stands the test of time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical design advice. And if you're inspired to upgrade your space, check out the links below for some of the best items to match your style. Also, if you have an interior design problem or need realistic 3D modeling, feel free to email us directly. For urgent requests, you can hire us on Upwork and Fiverr. We offer services like architectural design, 3D modeling, rendering, space planning, and more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.